Morning everyone, and thank you for your time today. I will focus on our recommended proposal for Blue Water Bay Resort's 20th anniversary renovation program. Project 2, Pool and Beach Financial Capacity Expansion. After reviewing the guest feedback, operational requirements, and financial performance, we believe this project delivers the strongest combination of guest satisfaction, revenue growth, and return on investment. One of the most common concerns raised by our guests is the lack of available seating around the pool and beach area, particularly during peak occupancy period. Guests often reports difficulty finding lounges, limited shaded area, and overcrowding around the pool deck. As a luxury resort, these are important issues because outdoor leisure facilities are a major part of the guest experience and a key factor in vacation satisfaction. To address these challenges, the proposed project will expand the pool deck, additional beach lounges, introduce minimum shaded cabanas, improve landscaping, and redesign guest circulation area to create a more comfortable and spacious environment. This enhancement will help reduce congestion, improve guest comfort, and improve a more relaxing resort atmosphere. The project is expected to complete within 6 to 9 months, making it the fastest renovation project among the three proposals. Construction will be scheduled during the dry season to minimize the weather-related delays and operational disruptions. Importantly, portion of the pool and the beach facilities will remain open throughout the renovation period to ensure that guests continue to enjoy these amenities during construction. From a guest experience perspective, we expect significant improvement. The project is forecast to increase outdoor amenity satisfaction by approximately 12%, while reducing complaints regarding seating availability and overcrowding. The addition of premium cabanas and shaded areas will also better meet the expectation of today's leisure travelers and families, who increasingly seek comfort, privacy, and premium outdoor experiences. Beyond guest satisfaction, this project also creates new revenue opportunities. The introduction of premium cabana rentals is expected to generate additional income, with rental rates projected between 100 and 200 per day. At the same time, improved pool and beach facilities encourage guests to spend more time within the resort, leading to increased spending on food and beverage. Financially, this proposal stands out as the strongest investment option. The project requires capital of 2.75 million, which is significantly lower than the guest room modernization project. Despite the lower investment, it is expected to generate approximately 1.6 million in additional annual revenue. Though increased occupancy, cabana rentals, and higher guest spending. The financial indicator further support this recommendation. The project delivered a payback period of 1.7 years, making it the fastest returning investment among all proposed options. It also achieves the highest net present value of 8.5 million and the strongest internal rate of return is between 25% to 28%. These results indicate that Project 2 provides the greatest value creation for the resort while maintaining a manageable level of risk. Although there are potential risks such as weather delay, temporary guest inconvenience, and space limitation during construction. These risks are relatively low compared to the expected benefits. Careful planning and paced execution will help minimize disruption and maintain guest satisfaction throughout the implementation period. When comparing all three renovation proposals, Project 2 consistently ranked highest in the financial performance, speed of return, and direct guest impact, while the guest room modernization and dining enhances projects remain valuable long-term initiatives. The pool and the beach capacity expansion provides the most immediate and measurable benefits to both guests and stakeholders. Therefore, my recommendation is that Project 2 be approved and implemented first. This project not only addresses critical guest concerns but also generates strong financial returns that can help fund future resort improvements. By investing in our most valuable, visible, and heavily used guest amenities, Blue Water Bay can strengthen its competitive position, increase guest loyalty, and create sustainable revenue growth for years to come. Thank you, and I welcome any questions.